Just went bad, but you're the best I ever had. Like Ken Prince and Wesson Man, she touched me, it's permanent. In my head, I couldn't hear anything you said, but in my head, I'm calling you girlfriend. What the? I know, feel fake love, but I'll take some from you tonight. I know I've got to go, but I might just miss the flight. I can't stay forever. Let's play pretend and treat this night like it'll happen again. You'll be my bloody Valentine tonight. Hey, you know my ex, so that makes it all feel complicated, yeah. And I read those texts that you sent to yours, but I'll never say it, yeah. You walked in my life at 2 a.m. Cause my boy's new girl is your best friend. Act like you don't see me, we'll play pretend. Your eyes already told me what you never said. Now we're in the backseat of the black car going home. And she asked me, is it wrong if I come up with you? We're both drunk on the elevator when I kissed you for the first time in New York City. Yeah, I swear to God, I never fall in love. Then you showed up here, I can't get enough of it. I swear to God, I never fall in love. Fall in love, but I can't get enough of it. I swear to God, I never fall in love. Then you showed up here.